Good evening, students. Today we will do class 7 revision paper. Fill up the blanks. In photosynthesis, solar energy is captured by the pigment chlorophyll. During photosynthesis, plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juices which act on food. Stomach is J-shaped muscular organ. Skin and beard are the parts of sheep which have wool. Plastic is an example for Plastic is an example for non-biodegradable. Plastic is an example for insulator. Temperature of the boiling water can be measured by laboratory thermometer. Mercury is used in thermometer. Melting of ice is an example for physical change. Setting of curd is an example for chemical change. In photosynthesis, solar energy is captured by the pigment called chlorophyll. During photosynthesis, plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juices which act on. Dash is a muscular organ. Stomach is a muscular organ. Skin and beard are parts of which have wool. Plastic is an example for insulator. Temperature of the boiling water can be measured by laboratory. Mercury is used in thermometer. Melting of ice is an example for physical change. Setting of curd is an example for chemical change. Kashmir, moderate hot climate, hot and wet climate, Kashmir. Kerala, hot and wet climate. Rajasthan, hot dry climate. Northeast India, wet climate. Bangalore, cool and wet. Kashmir, moderate hot and wet climate. Kerala, hot and wet climate. Rajasthan, hot and dry climate. Northeast India, wet climate. Bangalore, cool and wet climate. Kashmir, moderate hot and wet climate. Kerala, hot and wet climate. Rajasthan, hot and dry climate. Northeast India, wet climate. Bangalore, cool and wet climate. Bangalore, cool and wet climate. Home for organisms, all kinds of soil. Upper layer of soil or dark in color. Sandy soil, large particle. Middle layer, less humus. Clay soil, small particles. Classify the following into physical and chemical changes. Boiling milk, physical change. PC andre physical change, CC andre chemical change. PC andre physical change, CC andre chemical change. PC andre physical change, CC andre chemical change. Boiling water, physical change. Cooking food, chemical change. Elongation of rubber band, physical change. Cutting trees, physical change. Digestion of food, chemical change. Respiration, chemical change. Eating iron, physical change. And burning paper, chemical change. Dissolved sugar in water, physical change. Evaporation of water, physical change. Home for organisms, all kind of soil. Upper layer of soil, dark in color. Sandy soil, large particles. Middle layer, less humus. Clay soil, small particles. Boiling milk, physical change. Cooking food, chemical change. Elongation of rubber band, physical change. Cutting trees, physical change. Digestion of food, chemical change. Respiration, chemical change. Eating iron, physical change. Burning paper, chemical change. Dissolved sugar in water, physical change. Evaporation of water, physical change. Evaporation of water, physical change. Answer the following. Tropical rainforests have a large population of animals. Why? Because of continuous